Before we begin this journey to freedom, I want you to understand one simple truth. Your mind is incredibly powerful, and it is always working to protect you. Up until now, your subconscious may have used vaping as a tool for stress or habit. In this session, we aren't giving up anything. Instead, we are reclaiming your natural state of health. Hypnosis is simply a state of focused relaxation where your mind becomes open to the positive changes you already want to make. You will remain in total control the entire time. You are simply choosing to listen, to let go, and to allow your body to return to its original, clear, and vibrant rhythm. So take a moment now just to set your intention. Decide that from this moment on, you are a non-vaper. Not because you have to be, but because you deserve to breathe freely. You deserve to be healthy. So if you're ready, let's begin. So first of all, just find a place where you can be undisturbed. Either a chair or even lying in bed. And take a slow, deep breath in. And exhale gently. Good. Again, breathing in slow. And releasing completely. And one more time, breathing in. And when you exhale, let it be slightly longer than the inhale. Exhaling. Good. Now simply notice the surface beneath you, the way your body is supported. No effort required, nothing to prove. And as you listen to my voice, allow your eyes to focus softly for a few moments, not staring, just gently resting somewhere. And notice how the eyes naturally begin tiring when they no longer need to scan, search, or perform. Tiny muscles just softening as you allow your forehead to relax. Your face just relaxing as your jaw starts unclenching slightly. Good. And soon you may notice your eyes wanting to close naturally, not because you force them, but because the body understands it no longer needs to stay on alert. And when they do close, just simply allow yourself to drift inward. Good. Now imagine a dimmer switch inside your mind, and with every breath you take, that switch turns slightly lower. Not sleep, just quieter, less mental noise, less anticipation, less pressure. Good. Now I'd like you to imagine walking down a long, gentle staircase. On this staircase are 10 steps, and with each step that you take, your body relaxes more deeply, while your subconscious mind becomes more open and receptive. See that staircase now in your mind, each step just taking you a little bit deeper. Here we go. And 10. Just allowing the mind to slow down. 9. The outside world becoming less important. 8. As you notice your breathing becoming calmer now. 7. Thoughts just drifting further apart. 6. Feeling deeply relaxed. 5. Halfway down now. Feeling safe to let go. 4. Shoulders softening completely. 3. Mind becoming quieter. 2. Your body feeling heavy and so relaxed. 1. Deeply calm now. As you drift deeper, I'd like you to visualize a heavy, grey mist that you used to carry. This mist represents the habit of vaping. Notice how it feels, synthetic and restrictive. Now, imagine a powerful, cool breeze from a pine forest sweeping that mist away. See the air around you become crystal clear as you breathe in this imagined mountain air. Feel your lungs tingling with gratitude. They are beginning to heal. They are pink, vibrant, and strong. The thought of the old mist now feels foreign, even slightly unpleasant, like a room that has been closed for too long and finally needs a window opened. I'd like you to imagine a big, heavy vault, and inside this vault, we are placing the old habit, the plastic device, the synthetic flavors, the phantom need. See yourself locking your vape now in this vault. Close the door shut, and now lock it. And I want you now to watch it sink into a dark, bottomless ocean. See it now being lowered into the water, the crashing of the waves around it, as it starts now to sink. Watch it go now, deeper, 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 until you can no longer see it. It's gone. And it is no longer a part of your story. From this moment on, your brain associates the smell of vapor with a sense of stale, stagnant air, something you instinctively turn away from. When you see others vaping, you feel a profound sense of compassion for them, but a deep, unshakable relief for yourself. You are no longer a slave to a circuit board and a coil. Now, I'd like you to bring your awareness to your hands. Your hands do not need to hold a vape to feel safe. Your mouth does not need nicotine to deserve comfort. Your body is not broken because it adapted to a substance. It adapted because brains learn quickly, and brains can relearn. Even if you have quit before and started again, that does not erase progress. It means you are still learning the path out. Just notice your breathing again and take it slower. In, steadier, out. You are proving something important right now. An urge can still exist without controlling you. And each time that happens, even briefly, the old pattern weakens. Now listen carefully. The craving is not the emergency. The craving is a signal, a temporary chemical and emotional wave moving through your nervous system. It feels urgent because your brain was trained to answer it quickly, not because vaping is actually protecting you. And today, you begin teaching your brain something new. Right now, I'd like you to choose a physical trigger movement, something simple and discreet. It could be pressing your thumb and your index finger together gently, or placing your hand over the center of your chest, or lightly squeezing your wrist. Choose one movement now, because this movement becomes your trigger, your interrupt switch. Every time you do it, you are telling your nervous system, pause. I am back in control. So do that movement now, and just hold it there gently. Good. And from this moment forward, this physical trigger is connected to slowing down cravings before they take over. The moment you feel that touch, a wave of cool, refreshing air will seem to wash through your chest, and the urge will instantly dissolve, replaced by a surge of pride and strength. The touch is the trigger. The trigger is your freedom. Now, let's test that trigger in your mind. Imagine you are in a situation where you used to vape, perhaps after a meal or during a break. Feel the old, faint tug of habit. Now activate your trigger, either by pressing your thumb and forefinger together, your hand on your chest, or squeezing your wrist. And now instantly see in your mind that vapor turn into a dry, dusty wind that you have no interest in. Instead, you inhale the scent of fresh air. And straight away the urge is gone. It has no power here. Your brain has been rewired. The physical touch of your trigger is now more powerful than any craving. And now imagine a future version of yourself, several months from now. Breathing easier, sleeping deeper, not panicking when you cannot find a vape, not calculating battery life, not planning your next hit, not feeling owned by a device. Imagine the freedom of not needing permission from a craving to feel okay. That version is built one interrupted craving at a time, including this one. Your brain changes through repetition, not perfection. Every time you use your trigger instead of vaping, you strengthen a new pathway. Now, take your deepest breath so far and slowly exhale. Relax your jaw, relax your shoulders. And notice that you survived this moment without immediately reacting. That is progress. Now, one final time. Use your trigger movement and connect it with these words. I choose fresh air over a habit. I am in total control. The urge is gone, and I am a non-vaper. Good. Now stay still for one more breath. And remember, you are not fighting yourself. You are retraining yourself. One pause, one craving, one choice at a time. This trigger is now locked into your subconscious. It works automatically, without effort. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. You are a non-vaper. You are free, you are clean, and you are in total control. The device has no appeal. The air is your only need. Good. Now imagine that staircase now rising upwards. This time there's 5 steps on that staircase. As I count from 1 to 5, you're going to walk your way up the staircase. With each step, your body's going to come right back to life. A feeling of energy rising through your body with each step that you take. Here we go. On 5, you're going to open your eyes feeling great. And 1, feeling lighter and brighter. 2, 3, each and every single suggestion cemented firmly into your mind. 4, you are in total control. You do not vape anymore. And 5, open your eyes. You've got this.